Is it your goal to live a long and healthy life? Here are the best 7 heart-healthy foods for longevity which will naturally extend our lives. Researchers have found that people who live longer and healthier lives consume meals that nourish their bodies for maximum health. To put it another way, they avoid processed, packaged, and additive-filled foods and eat only healthy foods. There are no guarantees about how our health will be as we age or how long we will live. However, there are effective steps that can be taken to live a more fulfilled life. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries have been described as superfruits, as they are capable of blocking as well as reversing most of the signs of aging. They are incredible anti-aging food that keeps the brain healthy by boosting mental health. The dark hues present in berries shows their high antioxidant content. Beyond providing multiple antioxidant benefits, blueberries also have the ability to positively affect various aging processes. Blueberries also deliver maximum nutrition for minimum calories. In comparison to other fruits, blueberries contain less sugar, so it is less likely to affect your insulin levels, making them a tasty option for a fast guiltless snack. As they are low glycemic fruits, they help to keep your insulin levels balanced as well as keep you focused. These fruits are also packed with fiber, maintains your cholesterol levels, and develops a healthy weight necessary for optimal longevity. Number 2. Avocados. People do not consume avocados mainly because of their unique taste, but also because of their impressive heart health benefits. Avocados are one of the most nutrient-dense foods, containing health-boosting nutrients such as protein, magnesium, vitamin E, B6 vitamins and folic acid. Furthermore, they are a potent source of anti-inflammatory fats, which delay the aging process in the body. According to a dietitian in Washington, avocados are rich in mono and polyunsaturated fats which enable energy to be generated easily. Consequently, blood cholesterol levels and risk of heart disease can be minimized. This fruit does not only help to reduce oxidized cholesterol, but also boost levels of good cholesterol. Reader's Digest describes how monounsaturated fats are able to prevent insulin resistance, thereby regulating blood sugar levels. As avocados are a water-packed source of fat, they are easily digested and absorbed into the body compared to processed or animal-based fats. Avocado acts as a delicious multi-purpose food to satisfy cravings and can even be used as a fat replacement when it comes to baking. It can also be used to substitute some of your favorite dairy dishes. Number 3. Walnuts, and other nuts and seeds. For optimum health, it is essential to supplement your longevity diet plan with essential nutrients such as nuts and seeds. They are a wonderful source of dietary fiber, which is crucial to stay healthy. In recent studies, researchers have found that the consumption of walnuts as a whole including the skin helps in imparting a multitude of nutritional benefits. Consume at least 1 to 3 ounces of it either as a whole or as a nut or seed butter every day. Raw nuts are a delicious source of beneficial fats that you should consume more of once you remove the non-vegetable carbs from your diet. They contain sufficient minerals and vitamins to serve as a nutritious snack when energy starts to flag. These heart-healthy foods can also be added to different recipes to enhance flavor as well as adding extra nutrients. First of all, they contain mostly unsaturated fats which are heart-healthy. They help to lower inflammation in every part of the body, specifically the blood and heart. Walnuts contain omega-3 fatty acids which helps to ensure the brain is functioning well, maintain heart health, and achieve optimum weight. A recent scientific study states that a shortage of omega-3 fatty acids which is provided by walnuts can result in hyperactivity, tantrums and irritability in kids. It can even be applied to adults who are suffering from stress and depression. Number 4. Leafy greens and green vegetables. Green foods are heart-healthy foods and the key cornerstone of every healthy dietary living plan for optimal health. In addition to being loaded with vitamins, proteins, and minerals, they are also known as being one of the most alkaline foods. This is because they can be found at any time of the year. Leafy green vegetables such as broccoli, kale and spinach are some of the most beneficial to consume because they're rich in protein, calcium, magnesium, chlorophyll and iron. Along with B6 vitamins, vitamins A and C are also found in leafy green vegetables. Kale provides high vitamin K content for bone building, which is necessary to stay active all year round. Leafy greens are also proven to be the most powerful anti-cancer foods, which play critical roles in blocking the early phase of cancer and can even reverse the outcome of some major health problems. They are packed with an abundance of carotenoids, antioxidants, and some other compounds which are created for protection against diseases. By protecting the heart against cardiovascular disease, antioxidants could help prevent some birth defects. Number 5. Dark chocolate, cocoa and cacao. Research has shown that eating dark chocolate leads to more than 40 distinct nutritional benefits, including longevity. Chocolate made from the seeds of the cocoa tree is one of the most effective sources of antioxidants in the world. Chocolate or cocoa is most effective when it is raw, cacao, since the highest nutritional value is found when cocoa is in its raw state. In fact, cacao is one of the most beneficial foods that helps to facilitate a healthy heart and brain. Moreover, cacao aids in lowering blood sugar, blood pressure, and its healthy fats are actually beneficial for your body compared to animal-based saturated fats. Based on a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, dark chocolate is loaded with a group of antioxidants called flavonoids. These antioxidants have been proven to help prevent cardiovascular disease. It also added that eating quality dark chocolate containing a high cocoa content is more beneficial, especially when there is 70% of cocoa or more. Basically, if you want to reward yourself with a sweet snack and maintain your health at the same time, dark chocolate may in fact be the most appropriate choice. This is due to the various health benefits it offers. But, bear in mind that it is also rich in fat. Apart from keeping track of your fat intake, you may also opt for raw cacao powder or organic cocoa powder. Regular consumption of dark chocolate helps to break down bacteria and ferment its components into anti-inflammatory compounds, which will benefit your overall health in the long run. Number 6. Salmon. There are several health benefits to consuming salmon other than its delicious taste. Salmon is a nutritional powerhouse that is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin D. Omega-3s have been proven to be able to lower the risk of inflammation and decrease triglyceride levels, both of which are linked to higher risk of heart disease. Evidence has shown that omega-3s help to lower dementia risk as well as cognitive decline, keeping the brain healthy. Not only that, feeding preschool children with salmon helps to prevent the risk of ADHD symptoms. It can enhance their academic performance as the nutrition in salmon causes children to remember and focus better. Salmon may promote fat loss and significantly decrease belly fat in obese individuals due to the omega-3 fats in salmon. While most fatty fish are packed with omega-3s, salmon is a particularly nutritious dietary choice as it merely contains minimal mercury, which is a potentially toxic contaminant. Number 7. Apples. A group of research studies indicates that apples may be one of the world's healthiest fruits for you to include in your longevity diet plan. As they are the most commonly consumed fruit, people tend to overlook their impressive health benefits. In fact, in a featured article regarding the top 10 healthy foods in medical news today, apples were ranked first among the others. According to the old saying, an apple a day may be the best food to promote long life because of its many health benefits. In a nutshell, apples contain several nutrients in a way which sets them apart from other fruits. This is why they are an excellent food choice for achieving good health and promoting longevity. For the greatest benefits, it is advisable to eat the apple skin. These polyphenols contain flavonoids known as quercetin, which helps to lower blood pressure. Studies have shown that high flavonoid intake can reduce stroke risk by 20%. We hope you enjoyed getting your melon fed. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.